Imagine waking up one day to find that your GPS can't find your location. Your phone has lost all signal, and even your favorite TV channels have gone blank. What just happened? The answer lies hundreds of miles above us, satellites. But what if one day all these satellites stopped working? In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of satellites, the silent guardians of modern life, and what happens when they go down. Satellites are the invisible threads that weave together the fabric of our daily lives. Whether you're navigating to a new restaurant, checking the weather, or even making a simple bank transaction, a satellite is working hard in the background. GPS satellites guide us to our destinations with pinpoint accuracy. Weather satellites provide the data needed to predict storms and save lives. Communication satellites keep us connected, allowing for global phone calls, live broadcasts, and internet access in the most remote corners of the Earth. It's easy to forget how much we rely on these orbiting machines until they fail. But what could possibly go wrong? Unfortunately, a lot. Satellites are exposed to numerous threats that can disrupt their function. Space debris, traveling at thousands of miles per hour, can cause catastrophic collisions. Solar storms, which are massive bursts of radiation from the sun, can fry a satellite's electronics. Then there's the risk of cyber attacks. Hacking into a satellite's control system could disable it or even turn it against us. Technical malfunctions, although rare, can also lead to satellite failures. And it's not just hypothetical. In 1998, the Galaxy 4 communications satellite failed, disrupting TV broadcasts, radio stations, and even pager networks across the United States. Imagine if that happened today with our even greater reliance on satellites. When a satellite goes down, it's not just a single service that gets affected, it can trigger a domino effect. For example, if a GPS satellite fails, it can cause massive disruptions in air travel, shipping, and logistics. Pilots, ship captains, and drivers all rely on GPS for navigation. Without it, chaos could ensue. But it doesn't stop there. Communication satellites are critical for emergency response systems, military operations, and global financial markets. A failure in these systems could lead to widespread confusion, delays in critical responses, and even economic instability. The world, as we know it, could grind to a halt. So, is there a plan if satellites start to fail? Yes, but it's not foolproof. Redundant systems and backups are in place to take over if one satellite fails, but these aren't always enough to prevent disruptions. New technologies are being developed, such as smaller, more numerous satellites in low Earth orbit that can quickly replace a failed satellite. Companies and governments are also exploring ground-based alternatives and more resilient satellite designs to withstand potential threats. But as our reliance on satellites grows, so too does the need for better protection and recovery strategies. Satellites may be out of sight, but they should never be out of mind. They're the unsung heroes of modern life, making possible the conveniences we take for granted every day. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the need to protect these critical systems from the dangers that threaten them. So the next time you get directions on your phone or watch a live broadcast, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology that makes it all possible, and consider what life would be like if one day the satellites went down.